Welcome to the TMC newsroom here at remote San Jose, where we're with the rest of the California and enjoying ourselves immensely. Now with Kate Haley, CMO of Accurate. So Kate, thank you for being here.
You bet. Thanks for having us.
So now tell us about Accurate. What is it? What do you do? And how long have you guys been in existence?
We've been around since 2004, and we make communications recording systems for healthcare and other high-traffic call centers, as well as aerospace and defense.
Okay. And by and large, is this for any kind of solution? It doesn't matter whether it's VoIP or PBX or any type of call center?
Yeah, one of the things that we specialize in is being able to offer hybrid solutions that can record enterprise VoIP as well as circuit switch traffic. So if you have, for instance, like an Avaya PBX that's running digital, TDM stuff, as well as maybe some analog, and then they're also pulling in some enterprise VoIP, our appliances, which are called Voxida, are able to record all of the signal interfaces.
Okay, and let's start with the simple questions. So, by and large, your target customers are hospitals and other large call centers. Is there a compliance focus in your company?
Definitely, and coming out of our aerospace and defense background in particular, security is always key.
Okay.
And the first thing that we think of. I should also specify that we do go for large contact centers, but our smallest ones started about 8 extensions.
Oh,
so
wow.
while we have ones in place that are recording, say, 10,000 extensions in a campus, we also get in for smaller, also results-focused contact centers as well.
Okay, great. And by and large, what's the general marketplace in terms of? Is it one call center? Is it multiple call centers? Is it? Do you guys support a distributed solution?
Yes, on all fronts. We can do single center or we can do multiple. The Voxida systems are designed to be multimodal and all can scale both up and out. So as such, we're able to do geodiverse setups as well. We're announcing a new Voxida Hive appliance system that will allow them to start at a single center or do something worldwide right out of the gate and record, as we talked about, enterprise VoIP and potentially TDM, digital stuff as well, and do it all with a single user interface. So it's all operating as if it was locally.
Cool. And is
captured.
that aimed at a targeted marketplace, or is it just the scale of it that's essential?
It's definitely aimed at high traffic centers and has, solutions like this that we have offered have been used by that. So, healthcare we're seeing in a lot of, multi-campus, setups definitely are using it. But,
I can understand that.
Yeah.
That sounds wonderful. And just out of curiosity, when people are using your technologies, do you find that given your history and that people are trying to keep more and more of the stuff online, or are they, when you store the data of what the transactions and what had happened with the customer contact, how does that work out? What's the latest marketplace trends?
There's a lot of different requirements based on people's internal security policies. However, if you are recording for healthcare, you're going to be concerned with patient data. It's just one example of an industry. And in those cases, using like a hosted setup or putting something out in the cloud is ill-advised. So in that case, that's where using an appliance-sized solution comes into play, so that you are able to manage that data and keep it securely housed in one or more of your locations.
And are you software-based, hardware-based?
Both.
Both, okay.
Yeah, they're integrated systems that allow you to do all of the recording and live monitoring, in a single appliance.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what is it, a web interface for those of us who want to look into our data? That's the way it appears?
It appears as a web interface. It's web-like, however, it's client-server, so inherently more secure.
Definitely, understood. Great. Well, thank you very much.
Well, thank you. I appreciate being here and letting us talk about Voxida.
Thank you.